Hi guys, so today I'm doing a very different kind of video. Today I'm going to be showing you what supplies I'm going to be bringing for travel journaling on my road trip to Montreal, as well as how I set up my journal. So basically, the day that I'm uploading this, I'm going to be in Montreal with my friends for a graduation trip. And so obviously I thought I would make a travel journal because I've only started journaling during the pandemic, so obviously I've never gotten to travel with the journal. So I thought it would be super fun to kind of do this. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. I have two pencil cases here. These are, I don't even know when I got them, probably years and years ago, but I had another one that I wanted to use, but I couldn't find it, and it was pink and super cute. So I was like, whatever, I'll just use these. So in the first one here, I have all like writing utensils. So let's just take a look. Okay, I'm just gonna take things out. I have an eraser, my Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen, a few gel pens, just for writing the actual entries. I have a fine point Sharpie, just a regular mechanical pencil, a ballpoint pen with 4 colors, and then the rest are all markers. So, okay, let me get them out. They're kind of in a tight fit. Okay, so I have some Artist Loft brush pens as well as some Crayola Super Tips. And if you can't tell, I decided that for this journal, I was going to do a theme of pink, purple, and blue. So those are the only 3 colors I will mainly be using. Obviously, photos and things might change that up a bit, but I just wanted to kind of stay consistent, and it also helped me not bring too many supplies. So yeah, that was my color scheme. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, so those are all the writing utensils I'm bringing, and then as for the supplies, I put them in this super cute fuzzy like pencil case. Okay, obviously I have some glue, always need that, and in here, this little vellum pocket, I actually cut up old strips of sticker paper. So basically, whenever I cut my stickers on clear paper, there's obviously a little bit extra on the border, and I always save it. And yeah, so I have just little strips of tape, and I would just have to peel it off and use it to stick things on. So I have a lot of this. Obviously, it's going to be for like sticking on ephemera and things that I collect throughout the day. Let me just make sure you can still see. Yep. I have a few just like really thin rolls of washi. As you can see, these are all pink and purple. Oops, those are really hard to see. Okay, there, yeah. Super cute. And also, I'm planning on decorating these pages like very minimally. I don't want it to be like too crazy. I'll probably just put like a few stickers in the corner with some washi maybe, and then just write about my day. Anyway, I have some, what's it called? White sticker paper. Again, this is left over from the sticker sheets that I cut. I always just cut off the border so that I can use it for other things. And maybe I'll write the date on this like I normally do with my other daily entries. So I have some of this too. Or I could just use it for labeling other things. And then I have lots and lots of washi samples. I have obviously pink ones, purple ones, and then blue ones, and more purple washi samples. So I have a lot of washi. This can be used for taping things in and also just for decorating. So I thought, why not bring a bunch of it? And it's really easy to store. So I thought, why not? I also have this washi cutting card. It's just a gift card from Starbucks, but I thought it was super cute. It says Toronto. I'm not sure where I got this, but I think I just honestly took it off like the cashier area. And yeah, really cute though. Okay, moving on, I have a pair of scissors. These are not the regular scissors I use. These are like for my childhood craft supplies, but I didn't want to bring the scissors I like the most, so yeah, we have those. And then I also have a few paper clips scattered in here, just for, I don't know, clipping things in if I need to. So yeah, that's what's in here. And the last thing I have are my stickers and things. So I have these 3 little pockets that I got from Daily Mini Diary. She sent them to me a long time ago, and I never used them. And I thought, why not use it to organize my travel supplies? So inside, I divided them by color. In this first pocket, I have all my blue stickers and things. So I'm not going to really show you everything I brought. Why is it all backwards? Okay, so here we go. Yeah, I just bought a bunch of little stickers to decorate the pages. I will be doing a flip through of this journal once I get back, so no worries. You will definitely see how everything turned out on the inside. So that was the blue package. Whoops. Okay, there we go. That was blue. Here, I think this one is pink. I also, yeah, I just have a bunch of little pink stickers and memos. Whoa, lots of stickers, little cutouts, butterflies, more stickers, more stickers, more stickers, more stickers, more stickers, and more stickers. So that's that. And then lastly, I have all my purple supplies. Again, just a lot of stickers, as you can see. And they're not really themed after anything. I just took whatever like miscellaneous stickers I had that didn't really match anything else, so I could just use them haphazardly in this journal. Okay, whatever. I'll organize that later. So that was that. I'm also bringing along just a white envelope to store any ephemera throughout the day or anything that doesn't manage to go in here. And if I wanted to put it in my regular journal, I'll just bring it home in this. Okay, and here's the actual journal. This is from Indigo. I got it recently. It's coming up in a haul eventually, so you'll see that in a bit. So I guess you're kind of getting a sneak peek, but yeah, it's super cute. It has these like deckled edges. It has a really pretty image of a window balcony type scene on the front, and yeah, it's blue and pink, and so I thought, why not just throw in a bit of purple in the journal? So here we go. On the front page, let's make sure I'm aligned. I did a really simple cover. I just printed this photo of Montreal off the internet, and I wrote Montreal trip, July 18th to 22nd, 2021. Oh, my hair's in this. Okay. And then here, I used some boxes from Papershire and some scripts from my shop, Values Papery. I will link both shops down below. You can use my code at Papershire to get 10% off your first order. But yeah, I had a bunch of these box stickers. So I put in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday using scripts from my shop, and then I used that pink washi that I showed earlier to divide up the page into 5 sections. Here, I'm going to be tracking all my spending, so writing down everything I spent my money on. And then on this side, I'm planning on just doing point form notes of what we did that day so that I can transfer it into my sticker planner later on. So I also wrote down like how much space I have. So for this day, I have like, I can write 4 to 5 things, 7 things, 11 things, 9 things, and 13 things on Thursday. So yeah, I can just write down all of those things so that I can put them down in my sticker planner. And here I put in this card from Once More with Love because I'm going on a trip with my best friends. And obviously this is a best friend card, so I thought, why not? And then on the back, I can just have them sign it or write a message or something so that I can remember that I went on this trip with them. Here I use some Coffee Monsters Co. washi. I love this one because it's like a onesie. So, you know, it kind of reminds me of like sleep. So this is where I'm putting our hotel/Airbnb information. I just printed out a few photos of the Airbnb from the listing. And then here I have a packing list. I just cut out these checklist pages from another notebook. And I used some purple washi and this little suitcase sticker. And then obviously I wrote packing list. I haven't filled it out, so I should probably get to that soon. But yeah. Here I'm putting all our train info. So we are taking the train. I just covered up most information, but we'll already have taken this train by the time that you're seeing this video. But anyway, yeah, I had these really cute blue stickers that remind me of trains. You know, there's like a train, the inside of a train, and then the outside of a train again, and then we have another train, the inside of another train, and then kind of like, I don't know, this kind of reminded me of train, whatever. So this is for the trip to Montreal, and then this is for the return trip. So yeah, I had to print out the boarding pass because we all just have it on our phones. So I'll probably do that when we get the boarding pass to come back to Toronto. But yeah, so I printed out the boarding pass, and I think this is going to be really cute. You'll probably see the final thing through the flip through. And then lastly, I wanted to print out our itinerary on a regular 8x11 sheet of paper and then just stick it in this glassine pocket. And I decorated it with a bunch of little travel doodles that I just got off Google. I think I looked up travel doodles and this came up. I just cut them out and then I colored them in with the markers that I just showed you guys. So that is the setup I have right now for my travel journal. Again, I will post a full flip through once we come back. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this new type of video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!